Keep the party going at the Crafterparty. Hey aviators, that's you guys. Welcome to the Crafterparty. I am your hostess with the mostest, AV, and you're probably wondering, what do you do at the Crafterparty? Well, it's the after party for your crafts. Get it? Duh. Well, at the Crafterparty, we make really easy snacks that you can make after you finish crafting, or during your crafting, or while you're binge watching Netflix. I'm gonna go with the latter. I love popcorn, but this is no run-of-the-mill popcorn. This is like bad and bougie popcorn, but it's super laid back at the same time because it is so easy. All you need is popcorn. I'm gonna use my air popper to pop some fresh popcorn, parsley flakes, Himalayan sea salt, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and truffle oil. That's the bougie part. You just want to combine the rest of your ingredients. Didn't I tell you this was easy? Some truffle oil on top. Sea salt. I like pink Himalayan sea salt because bougie. Parsley flakes. And all of this is to taste. So if you like more salt, less salt, it's up to you. You can even add a little bit of butter if you want. Some garlic, Parmesan cheese. You want to give it a good shake and repeat the process. Oh my God, this is so good and it was so simple to make. Like, who said being bad and bougie means complicated? Not I, said the cat. I'm currently binging on Narcos Mexico. If you're familiar with Narcos Mexico, or the Narcos series, it's a show on Netflix. It chronicles the trials and tribulations of drug lords from Colombia, and in this series, it's Mexico. And I think I like Colombia more than Mexico, but I'm still gonna fight the good fight and watch it with my bad and bougie popcorn. Speaking of bad and bougie, Quavo from the Migos is in one of the episodes. I'm not gonna give you anything else because I don't do spoilers over here at the Crafterparty, but I want to know what you are binging on, all right? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, keep the party going. See you later.